This recipe is so close to my heart. It's my mom's recipe and we call chaswado bhat. She always used to make it whenever we had leftover rice. Day before yesterday was Mother's Day and I'm feeling so proud and so grateful for that I'm sharing this recipe with you all here. And do let me know in comment what's your mom's recipe that you like most. Hello everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel Tips Home Life. Hope you all doing well. So let's start. First you have to soak cooked rice in a buttermilk aka chas. In a pot, add all. Once oil is hot, add jeera and chopped chili. And now soak rice. Remember, we can't boil too much, otherwise curd will split it. We just have to make it warm. So stir everything. Now add salt to taste, red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric. Cover it with lid for 5 minutes in a slow heat. After 5 minutes, add freshly chopped coriander. That's it. Our chaswado bhat, or you can say curd rice, is ready. Hope you like it. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and please do subscribe my channel for more recipe. See you soon. Bye. Annyeong.